In this video, I'll show you how Juji uses the power of generative AI to auto-generate a series of Q&As quickly and efficiently, speeding up both development and deployment times. We'll start by using the chatbot you created in the previous video, auto-generate a conversational survey. From within your conversational survey chatbot, click Q&A board from the top menu. On the right-hand menu, you'll notice a button labelled Generate Q&A from Web Pages. Click this. Paste in the Weight Watchers website URL. Change the number of Q&As to be generated to whatever you wish, up to a maximum of 30. Click the button Auto Generate. Once Juji reports it's finished, close that window. You'll notice that your new Q&As have been created using generative AI. You can edit each individual Q&A, including both the question and the response. You can also delete them or manually add more. Once you are happy, you will need to add these new Q&As to Juji. You can either select individual Q&As or click the top checkbox to select all. You'll notice the green Submit button is now available. Click Submit. You can now test your new Q&As by heading to Preview. Whilst having the conversation with your chatbot, interrupt by asking one of your Q&As. In this example, we'll ask the question, is Weight Watchers recommended by doctors? And you can see Ava, our chatbot, has answered using the answer that was generated by generative AI.